Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Homemade turtle candy is on the menu today. Very quickly, here's what we need. I got about 10 caramels. Got them in a bag at Walmart for about $2. We need pecan halves, milk, butter, and chocolate chips. I'm using Toll House chocolate chips. Please hit that like and subscribe button. And y'all know what I always say, ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's get to it. All right, we've got about 10 caramels in this measuring cup. Make sure you get a microwavable container that won't burn or won't melt on you or something like that. Anyway, I'm using a measuring cup. What I want to put in is a half a teaspoon of milk and a half teaspoon of butter. Now, this is going to go into the microwave starting at 1 minute. So we're going to put this in for 1 minute. We're going to take it out. We're going to stir it very, very well. After that, we're going to put it in for 30-second intervals, meaning we're going to put it in for 30 seconds, take it out and stir it. 30 seconds, take it out and stir it until we get this as smooth as we need to. All right, so what I am going to say is, as far as the chocolate, you can just put the chocolate into a microwavable container and just microwave in the same way. Start off with a minute or two, depending on how many turtles you're going to make, and then every 30 seconds, just come back. So you're going to do the chocolate the same way, only you're not going to put the butter and the milk in the chocolate. All right, so now we're back. This is all we need. Chocolate, caramel. All right. Child, that's hot. Ooh, child, that's hot. Child, that is hot. Okay, and the pecans. All right, so now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in a tablespoon. I'm gonna move this around just a little bit. So now, what I am gonna do, now here's the key to it. Here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm not gonna do. I'm gonna put in, okay, so you wanna make sure, all right, that that's fitting, that that's all the way around the edges of your, so you wanna fit it all the way around. Now, this is what I wanna do with the nuts. I'm gonna put the nuts, don't put the nuts close to the edge. You understand? You see what I'm saying? Don't put the nuts close to the edge. So I'm gonna put in, you know what I wanna do? I'm gonna give you an overhead view. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna give you an overhead view right now. All right, so now, you see what I did? So now I overlapped 3 of these. Now, what I'm gonna come here and do, is I'm gonna take this little spoon right here, this little measuring spoon, and I am going to put, all right, some caramel in there. All right, so you got to work quickly because you don't want your caramel to harden back up. All right, so we're gonna put in right over there, right over all them nuts. Because you know when you bite into that, you ever bite into a turtle, oh, you get those nuts, and then you get all of that caramel in there. But here, you get this chocolate on the top. And look how easy that is. So I'm gonna let this cool off. And child, you got you a nice thick. So not shaped like the traditional turtle, like I'm doing this, and I know it's gonna be like a round shape, and that's fine with me. So if you're looking for a traditional turtle, then check out. I got another candy recipe on here, and check that out, but only use these ingredients. So follow the directions to melt the caramel and the chocolate, but only use caramels. Then you can shape them any kind of way you want to. So you can shape them so that they look like turtles usually look. I'm sorry. So they can look like turtles usually look. So if you want that unorthodox shape, there really ain't no shape at all, if you know what I'm saying. But all right, here we go. I know what I say the key to this is, you want to get it room temperature if you can. Look at that caramel. Baby, stop playing with me. Don't play with me. Okay. We're gonna put it right up to me. Look at that. Baby, that caramel, that chocolate. Oh, wait. All right. Once again, make sure you bring it to room temperature before you eat it. So after you let them cool off, put them in the refrigerator or you put them somewhere cool, make sure when you bring them back out, you bring them to room temperature. Trust me, the chocolate is not going to melt. It's going to come to room temperature, and trust me, it's going to be extremely, extremely good. I put them holding up. So it's cold right now, so when you get to room temperature, we good. Anyway. Fine. That don't make no sense. That's so good. There's some big ones though. Well, make them a little thinner if you want to, but homemade turtles, y'all. Go make it. Caramel. I'm nuts. Why are the pecans in there so good? Isn't that chocolate? All right. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.